Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English for Beginners. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In today's episode, we're talking about another useful topic for everyday English.
That's right. Today we're talking about your abilities in English.
This is something you'll do in many different situations.
During conversations with new friends,
At school,
at work,
during job interviews.
or whenever someone asks you what you're good at.
Knowing how to talk about your abilities helps you communicate with confidence.
Today we'll learn useful vocabulary, simple sentences, and natural conversations that you can use every day.
And don't worry if you're a beginner.
We'll explain everything step by step.
Before we begin, let's start with a simple question.
What are you good at?
Maybe you're good at cooking.
Maybe you're good at sports.
Or perhaps you're good at learning languages.
Everyone has different abilities.
And everyone has something they're good at.
Let's begin with an important word.
The word is ability.
Ability means the skill or talent to do something.
For example, she has the ability to solve difficult problems.
Or, learning English is an ability you can develop.
Abilities can grow with practice.
That's why it's important to keep learning.
Jack, what abilities do you think are most useful in everyday life?
I think communication is one of the most useful abilities.
Why do you think so?
Because good communication helps us at work, at school, and in our personal lives.
I completely agree.
Being able to express your ideas clearly is a valuable skill.
Let's learn another useful expression.
The expression is, be good at.
Be good at means you can do something well.
I'm good at cooking.
She's good at mathematics.
He's good at fixing computers.
That's one of the most common ways to talk about your abilities.
Emma, what are you good at?
I think I'm good at teaching.
I would definitely agree.
Thank you. Anything else? I also enjoy organizing things, so I think I'm good at planning.
That's a very useful ability.
What about you?
I'm good at explaining ideas in simple ways.
That's certainly true.
I also enjoy solving problems.
Those are excellent skills.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is skill.
A skill is something you learn and become good at through practice.
Speaking English is an important skill.
She has excellent computer skills.
Many skills improve over time.
The more you practice, the better you become.
Emma, what's the difference between a skill and a talent?
That's a good question.
I think a talent is something that comes naturally.
While a skill is something you learn through practice and learning.
Exactly.
For example, someone may have a natural talent for singing.
But they still need to practice to become a great singer.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is talent.
Talent means a natural ability to do something well.
She has a talent for music.
He discovered his talent for painting.
Some people have many talents.
Others develop new skills throughout their lives.
Both are wonderful.
Emma, do you think everyone has talents?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes people simply haven't discovered them yet.
I like that idea.
We all have different strengths.
And that's what makes people interesting.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is strength.
A strength is something that you do especially well.
Patience is one of her strengths.
Teamwork is one of his greatest strengths.
When someone asks about your strengths, they're asking what you're good at.
That's right.
You could answer, I'm good at working with people.
Or, I'm good at learning new things.
Or even, I'm good at staying calm under pressure.
Those are all excellent answers.
Jack, what ability would you like to improve?
I'd like to become a better public speaker.
That's a useful goal.
Speaking in front of large groups still makes me a little nervous.
I think many people feel that way.
The more I practice, the more confident I become.
Practice really does make a difference.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is improve.
Improve means to become better at something.
I want to improve my English.
She's improving every day.
Improvement takes time.
But every small step counts.
Emma, many English learners say, I can't speak English very well.
Yes, I hear that often.
What would you tell them?
I'd remind them to use positive language too.
What do you mean?
Instead of saying, I can't speak English, they could say, I'm still learning English.
That's a much more encouraging way to think.
Or they could say, I'm getting better every day.
Those small changes can make a big difference.
Let's learn another useful expression.
The expression is can.
Can is used to talk about abilities.
I can swim.
She can drive.
They can speak 3 languages.
Can is one of the most useful verbs in English.
It's simple, but you'll use it every day.
You can also use can't to talk about things you aren't able to do yet.
For example, I can't play the guitar.
Or, I can't speak Japanese yet.
Notice the word yet.
That's important.
It shows that you may be able to do it in the future.
Exactly.
Learning is a journey.
And abilities grow with time and practice.
Speaking of learning new abilities, there's another question people often ask when they're getting to know someone.
Let me guess.
They ask, what would you like to learn how to do?
That's a great question.
It really is.
Learning new abilities helps us grow throughout our lives.
And it's never too late to learn something new.
Someone might say, I'd like to learn how to play the piano.
Or, I'd like to learn how to cook.
I'd like to learn how to swim.
I'd like to learn how to speak another language.
These are all natural answers.
Let's learn another useful expression.
The expression is, learn how to.
Learn how to means to gain the knowledge or skill needed to do something.
I'm learning how to drive.
She wants to learn how to paint.
Learning new skills can be exciting.
It can also build your confidence.
Emma, is there something you've always wanted to learn?
Yes.
What is it?
I've always wanted to learn how to play the piano.
That's a wonderful goal.
I love listening to piano music.
Maybe one day you'll play your favorite songs yourself.
I hope so.
What about you?
I'd like to learn photography.
Really?
Yes, I enjoy taking pictures, but I'd like to understand lighting and composition better.
That sounds like a fun hobby.
I think it would be.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is practice.
Practice means doing something again and again so you become better at it.
I practice English every day.
Practice helps improve your skills.
Every ability becomes stronger through practice.
That's true whether you're learning English or learning to play a sport.
Emma, how often should someone practice a new skill?
I think a little every day is better than a lot once a month.
I agree.
Even 15 or 20 minutes each day can make a big difference.
Small steps lead to big improvements.
That's an excellent lesson for English learners.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is progress.
Progress means moving forward or improving over time.
I'm making good progress.
She has made a lot of progress this year.
Sometimes progress is easy to notice.
Other times it happens slowly.
That's why patience is important.
Exactly.
Jack, have you ever learned something that seemed impossible at first?
Oh, yes.
What was it?
Riding a bicycle.
Really?
When I was a child, I fell several times.
Did you want to give up?
For a short time, yes.
But you didn't.
No, my parents encouraged me to keep trying.
And eventually you learned.
Exactly.
That's a great example.
Many abilities feel difficult in the beginning.
But with practice, they become easier.
Learning English works the same way.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is encourage.
Encourage means to give someone confidence and support so they continue trying.
My teacher encouraged me to keep practicing.
Her parents always encouraged her.
Encouragement can make learning much easier.
It reminds us not to give up.
Another useful way to talk about abilities is by using the phrase, I'm able to.
That's right.
It has almost the same meaning as I can,
For example, I'm able to speak 2 languages.
or she's able to solve difficult problems.
Both are correct.
But can is usually a little more common in everyday conversation.
Let's learn another useful expression.
The expression is able to.
Able to means having the ability to do something.
He was able to finish the project.
We're able to help our customers.
Emma, what's something you couldn't do a few years ago but can do now?
I can speak a little Spanish now.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
How did you learn?
Mostly by practicing every day and speaking whenever I had the chance.
That's excellent advice.
Practice really is the key.
Many people wait until they think they're perfect before they start speaking.
But that's the opposite of how learning works.
Exactly.
We improve because we practice.
Not before we practice.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is challenge.
A challenge is something that is difficult but possible to overcome.
Learning English is a challenge.
She enjoys new challenges.
Challenges help us become stronger.
They also help us discover new abilities.
Emma, what's one challenge that many English learners face?
I think speaking confidently is one of the biggest challenges.
I agree.
Many learners know more English than they think.
But they're afraid of making mistakes.
That's completely normal.
The important thing is to keep speaking.
Every conversation helps you improve a little more.
Speaking of conversations, there's one final way people often talk about their abilities.
Let me guess.
They explain not only what they can do today, but also the abilities they hope to develop in the future.
That's something everyone can relate to.
Absolutely.
None of us stops learning.
There is always a new skill to develop or a new ability to improve.
That's one of the exciting things about life.
We can continue learning at any age.
Let's begin with an important word.
The word is develop.
Develop means to grow or improve something over time.
I'm developing my English speaking skills.
She wants to develop better communication skills.
Developing new abilities takes time.
But every small step moves you forward.
Emma, what's one ability you'd still like to develop?
I'd like to become a better public speaker.
Why is that?
Because I enjoy helping people learn, and I'd like to feel even more confident speaking to large audiences.
That's a great goal.
Thank you.
What about you? Is there something you'd still like to improve? I'd like to become a better cook.
Really?
Yes, I can cook simple meals, but I'd like to prepare more complicated dishes.
That sounds like a fun challenge.
I think so too.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is experience.
Experience is the knowledge or skill you gain by doing something.
Practice gives you experience.
She has a lot of teaching experience.
The more experience you have, the more confident you usually become.
That's true for almost every skill.
Emma, do you think mistakes are important when learning?
Definitely.
Why?
Because mistakes show us what we still need to learn.
I completely agree.
Every mistake teaches us something.
That's why we shouldn't be afraid of them.
Instead, we should learn from them.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is mistake.
A mistake is something that is incorrect or not done the right way.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Mistakes help us learn.
Nobody becomes successful without making mistakes.
Even experts were once beginners.
That's a great reminder for English learners.
Speaking every day is much more important than speaking perfectly.
Exactly.
Let's imagine a simple conversation.
Great idea.
Someone asks, "What are you good at?"
You could answer, I'm good at working with people.
Or, I'm good at organizing my time.
Another person might say, I'm good at solving problems.
Or, I'm good at learning new languages.
Those are all natural answers.
Now imagine someone asks, what can you do?
You might answer, I can cook.
I can swim.
I can drive.
I can play the guitar.
These are some of the most useful English sentences you'll ever learn. They're simple, but you'll use them often.
Another common question is, what would you like to learn?
A simple answer could be, I'd like to learn how to paint.
Or, I'd like to improve my English speaking.
Or even, I'd like to learn another language. Those answers show that you're interested in learning.
And that's always a positive thing.
Let's learn another useful word.
The word is confident.
Confident means believing in yourself and your abilities.
He's becoming more confident every day.
Practice helped her feel confident.
Confidence doesn't appear overnight.
It grows every time you practice.
Every conversation makes you a little stronger.
Every mistake teaches you something valuable.
Every new word expands your ability to communicate.
Emma, what's the most important advice you would give English learners?
I'd tell them not to compare themselves with other people.
That's wonderful advice.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Some people improve quickly.
Others need a little more time.
Both are perfectly okay.
The important thing is to keep moving forward.
Even small improvements matter.
Exactly.
Learning English isn't a race,
It's a journey.
and every learner has their own path.
Let's practice one complete introduction about abilities.
Great idea.
Someone says, "Hello, my name is David.
I'm good at working with computers.
I can speak English and French.
I'm learning how to play the guitar.
I'd like to improve my public speaking.
I practice every day because I enjoy learning new skills."
One of my goals is to become more confident."
That's a great example.
It's simple, honest, and easy to understand.
And you can change the details to match your own abilities.
Exactly.
That's the easiest way to practice speaking.
Before we finish, let's review today's vocabulary.
We learned ability,
Be good at,
skill,
talent,
strength,
improve,
can,
learn how to,
practice,
progress,
encourage,
able to,
challenge,
develop,
experience,
mistake.
confident.
These are all useful words that will help you talk about your abilities, your strengths, and the new skills you're learning in English.
Before we end, let's do some speaking practice.
If possible, answer these questions out loud.
First question, what are you good at?
Second question, what can you do well?
Third question, what ability would you like to improve?
Fourth question, what new skill would you like to learn?
Fifth question, how do you practice your abilities every day?
Try answering with complete sentences.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
And remember, every small step helps you become a better English speaker.
That's our question of the day. What is one ability you're proud of, and what is one new skill you'd like to learn in the future?
Write your answer in the comments.
You can begin with, I'm good at, or I'd like to learn how to.
We'd love to hear your thoughts.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
And remember, every ability begins with a single step and grows through practice.
We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.